Hi everyone, this is a question of exercise 22, and for this exercise I want you to create a dictionary of keys A, B, C. So we have 3 keys and each key will have as a value a list from 1 to 10 for key A, 11 to 20 for key B, and 21 to 30 for key C. So a dictionary of 3 keys and 3 values, and the values are these 3 lists. And then please print out the dictionary. So the output of this would be this one in here. As you can see, this is a pretty print, so a nice print of the dictionary. If you use print, you'll probably get a not very nice view of the dictionary. So take care of that too, please. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Thanks.